Get the Dami Glow. So we're doing a very simple look today. I'm going to start off with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I don't really know what I'm going to go for. I just want to go for something soft on the eyes. And I'm trying to go for nude lips, so I'm going to work around that. I'm really not trying to do an intense eyeshadow look today. Taking this like white shade, and I'm going to be using this to like diffuse the transition shade a bit. I feel like it's a bit harsh, so I'm just going to do that. Really blend out the edges. I'm going to be taking these lashes. I don't know if you can see them. These are the Victoria's lashes in the style Addictive. So I'm going to go do some of my foundation routine off camera because I noticed that I always do it, you know, and my routine's pretty much the same, so it might get boring always watching the same thing. But I'm going to tell you guys what I used. I used my Fenty Beauty foundation, I used my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, I used my Black Opal contour stick, or foundation stick, in the shade Nutmeg to contour, to cream contour, and Sacha Buttercup setting under my eyes right now. Now I'm going to take my Fix Plus and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. Take my Giant Sunkissed bronzer in the shade Medium, and I'm going to take that bit there. I'm going to be contouring. I'm trying to go for a simple but pretty Valentine's Day look. So you want to look like simple, not too much, but you want to still look cute at the same time, you know. Blend this in even more. Take my MAC Studio Fix powder NT45, the usual. Just pressing this into my skin. I don't even think I want to bake under my contour today. I think I just want to leave it all, you know, just natural, not too precise and too I don't know what sound that is, but you know, you get what I'm trying to say though. Like, I don't want it too like sharp. I don't want my contour too sharp today. I just want it very nice and just soft and bronzy looking, because we're going for a kind of soft Valentine's Day look today. I'm not gonna go OTT with the glow. I'm just gonna, you know, put a layer on, a layer or two anyways. I'm going to try and make it very subtle. I'm going to try. I know I go OTT with my glow because I love to glow, but I'm going to really try and make this glow subtle. Like, I'm going to try my best. I'm really going to try. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to do that. So we're going with the Ofra Cosmetics in the shade Rodeo Drive. I'm just going to put it on my cheekbones. This glow is actually really nice. Like, if you don't have it, I really do recommend it. You want to smile as always. The best way to get that glow is when you smile, because then it hits the top of the cheekbones. Look at that. tempted to go in with another highlighter, but I'm not going to do that. Now we're moving on to the lips, and I'm taking these two new Ruby Kisses matte lipsticks. I got them from the hair shop, and yeah, I got them from the hair shop. I'm going to try them out. This is the shade Spicy Brown, this brown one over here. I'm going to like use the lipstick as a liner because I got the nude one as well. I can't lie, I'm really loving these lipsticks. Like, they're so creamy and they don't feel like dry on the lips. So yeah, I think everyone should go purchase this. I'm taking my highlight again and I'm putting it in my inner tear duct. Just gonna, you know, just gonna make the eyes look not too boring. Yeah, this look is pretty much done. This look is for the girls who, you know, don't want to wear a lot of makeup on Valentine's Day. The girls who love their nudes, their browns, soft eyeshadows. And obviously I filmed a very colourful tutorial before this video. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it down in the description bar below. So go check out my last colourful makeup tutorial. And that look is very bold, it's very colourful, very fun. So it's also suitable for Valentine's Day as well. But I decided to film this softer look, just, you know, for the girls who just don't want to wear that much makeup, who don't want to spend 2 hours doing a cut crease, because I spent, like, it took me so long to do that cut crease, guys. Like, it's not even a joke. No, not a joke. So this look is much quicker, you know, much more time efficient. If you're rushing, you know, you got a date, he's like, be there at 7, and it's like, oh, 6:15 and you're still not ready. This is the look for you. So I really just want to thank everyone for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Also, make sure you check out my other videos too. And make sure you share my channel out there. Put it out there, you know. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'm just going to see you guys in my next one. Get the Dami Glow.